Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first, let me introduce myself. My name is Hilmi Rashid. My number 8320210195. In here, I will presenting my research proposal, and my title is the effect of the use of English podcast in students' pronunciation skill. And the next, my background of the study in English pronunciation is a very important because if there is a wrong or different pronunciation or sound, then the meaning can change very far. Therefore, pronunciation is an important aspect in English because it contains the correct pronunciation in pronouncing a word. So that is meaning does not become wrong. Each speaker must have their own voice character. This is what makes the sound issue by the speaker is not the same between one speaker and another. Because of the difference, students have to practice a lot. Practice is not only done while learning on campus. Students can do exercise anywhere and anytime. From the explanation, this study aims to determine the effect of podcast media on pronunciation skill of OMS. Students who use podcast media as a learning medium and those who not. This research uses a quantitative approach with a comparative method. This study will compare the two groups based on the value of the pronunciation of course, and later will get the result of the two groups whether there is a significant difference. And then problem statement. The first is there a difference in pronunciation skill between students who use podcast media and those who do not. The second, how significant is the difference in pronunciation skill between the two groups. My objective of the study is to analyze the difference in pronunciation skill of students who use podcast media and those who do not. The second, to measure the significance of the meanings of the difference in pronunciation skill between students who use podcast learning media and those who do not. And the benefit of the study, according to science, theoretical benefit adding to scientific studies in the field of language education, especially related to the use of podcast media and as a tool for learning pronunciation skill, and practical benefit provide to student provide insight into the benefit podcast in language learning and help them choose the most effective media to improve pronunciation skill. The second, for lecturer, provide guidance in choosing more effective learning strategies or media to teach pronunciation skill. And then for educational institutes, become the basic for developing more interactive and technology-based learning method. And then literature review. In here I show two previous study and more detail in my proposal. The first previous study by Matiam Halilavi with the title Using Podcast in Learning English Language Pronunciation Among Pre-Intermediate Students. I saw the advantage of using podcast in learning compared to traditional method. Research also relevant that the use of podcast in learning can influence student pronunciation. With the aid of accessing podcasts, students are able to learn independently by downloading, listening, and practicing outside the classroom without the teacher guidance. And then this can increase students' learning motivation. And then by Edi Suseno with the title using the podcast content help EFL students in improving their grammar and pronunciation. He said that podcasts can improve the way the subject matter is presented and how the material is present. Students can copy models from podcasts that are appropriate to the topic being discussed. Students who have used podcasts have become more proficient in sentence construction and pronunciation. In this research, it is states that there are those who think that using podcast media in learning and teaching process will make student sentence structure better. This help students improve their learning outcome in aspect of grammar and pronunciation. And the theoretical framework of this IM was conducted at University Muhammadiyah of Surakarta. The object to be researched are students of the English Language Education Study Program. This research use a relevant concept from constructivism theory there, where the use technology is considered as a tool to increase student interactivity and participation in the learning process with a positive impact on academic achievement, according to Tabrani and Mustafa. The chapter 3 is research method, research type and design. The type of is quantitative research. This research design in this study is a case study, and the place where this research was conducted was at the University Muhammadiyah of Surakarta on January. The object of this research is the effect of use English podcast in pronunciation skill, and the subject is this research are students who use podcast as learning medium. Technique of collecting data use is document, where the research take research source of all object from document or record of event that have passed, either in the form of writing, picture, or monumental work of a person, can be text from their life history, biographies, regulation, and so on. After collecting data, the technique of analyzing data, the next steps which must be done is analyzing the data. The obtained data will be calculated by using Microsoft Excel. Next, all of data will be analyzing by using AMB SPSS statistic. And before analyzing the data using the independent test, primarily analysis should be done to know either the data were qualified or not to be used in the test. In this space, normality test and homogeneity test will be analysis. Enough for my presenting this proposal today, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.